Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you swatches of the OPI Power of Hue collection, plus some fun colorful nail art using the shades. So I'm going to start with the nail art first. I like to call these rainbow rays since it's so colorful. Before anything else, I'm going to apply a base coat. Now I'm taking a striping brush and Pink Big to draw lines coming from the cuticle area, both angling slightly outward so that it's tapered. Then I'll be filling it in. Next, I'm taking Go to Grape Lengths and doing the same thing next to the pink shade. Now I'm taking Feel Beautiful to fill in the rest of the one side. For the other side, I'm going to repeat the same steps using Mango for it, be unapologetic, and make rainbows to finish the design. And of course, apply top coat to protect your manicure and add a nice glossy finish. So that's it for these colorful nails. Now let's get right into the swatches. So OPI's Power of Hue collection includes 12 summer shades that are bright, bold, and all include shimmer. The first one I'm swatching is Sugar Crush It. This is a pretty shimmery light pink with silver flakies. For this one, I applied 2 coats. Next is Sunrise Up. This is a shimmery coral shade with subtle gold flecks. Also, in case you'd like to grab this collection, you can get 10% off your entire order at beyondpolish.com using my code HANNAH. Now we have Exercise Your Brights in 2 coats, which is an electric hot pink with silver flecks. This one has a bit more shimmer than the others so far, so I like to call it Glimmer since I feel like it's between shimmer and glitter. And then we have Pink Big, which is a bright fuchsia shade with silver and blue shimmer. This one does seem pretty similar to Exercise Your Brights, but it is a tad deeper, which you can see when I show them as a Skittle Mani. I applied 2 coats for this one as well. Next is Go to Grape Lengths. This is a bright violet shade with silver and blue flecks in 2 coats. I really love this one and would probably pick this as my favorite. Be sure to let me know if you have any favorites as well. And a little trick I do when trying to avoid a third coat is to lightly go over the area that didn't get enough coverage like I'm doing here. Also, I almost forgot to mention that majority of these dry to a matte finish, so if you want that shiny look, definitely add a top coat. Here is Don't Wait Create. This is a light purple shade with silver flakies. For this one, I applied 2 coats. I must be into purples lately because I really love this one as well. It feels like a cream slash jelly, so a crelly polish. Next is Sky True to Yourself, which is a light blue shade with silver flakies. It's a little hard to see, but there's also some blue shimmer in there too. I did 2 coats with a little spot treatment. I decided to do slightly thicker coats since thinner coats would most likely result in having to do 3 layers to get the full coverage, especially if you have a prominent smile line like me. Now we have Feel Beautiful, which is a bright turquoise shade with gold tone mini flecks. I applied 2 coats, but I realized now looking at the clips that I can just barely see my smile line. It's really not noticeable in person, but you might want to add a 3rd coat just depending on your own personal preference. The next polish is Make Rainbows. This is a bright lime green shade with fine silver shimmer. I applied 2 coats for this one. Here is Be Unapologetic. This is a bright sunshine yellow with yellow gold shimmer. This is another one where I realized you can kind of still see my smile line after 2 coats, but it's really not that bad. This is Mango For It, which is a bold orange shade with gold flakies. This is another one that I would call a glimmer. For this one, I applied 2 coats. And last but not least is The Future Is You in 2 coats. This is a nude peachy shade with subtle gold shimmer. Alright, so that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing this collection plus some fun nail art to go along with it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later!